proud creator of the Done For You programs for really driven coaches. And let me just tell you a little about me. I have had a successful and profitable health coaching business for 7 years. I see time after time coaches who are ready to quit. They're making zero money and yet they have invested thousands in schools, programs, courses, and Done For You programs. So let me just tell you something. If that is you and you are making zero, it is about to change for you, and I'm going to tell you why. When you buy the Done For You programs that I created, you don't just get access to a program with amazing content. Just read the testimonials and listen to the video testimonials on the sales page. You get a community. If you feel lost, confused, don't feel supported, don't know where to turn, and feel strange about asking that question that you think is ridiculous, no, those days are over. That's why I created the Done For You programs, to have exclusive private communities where you can ask anything. It's myself and coach moderators that have been picked because they have success online and offline. If you're struggling to build an online practice and you don't know where to turn, this community is for you. If you want to go offline and do cooking classes, pantry, makeovers and shopping tours, this community is for you. If you are looking for a program that is not cookie cutter, these programs are for you. I didn't create these programs to sell to coaches. I created these programs for my own business, and then one coach asked me if I would sell them. That was 4 years ago. Now, I have tons of Done For You programs. Why? Because I used them in my business, and then I knew you needed them too. So if you are like me and you have kids, if you are taking care of somebody else, if you're working a 9 to 7 job and you don't know when you're going to spend time in your health coaching business, or maybe you're 80% there on the program you created, but not there just all 100%, and you're stuck, then you need Done For You programs. You're smart, you're knowledgeable, you have the education, you have the heart, you have the passion. Now you need the system and the tools. So the question just is, what program is right for you? Or are you VIP because you want to set up your sales funnel? You want to boost your work with me. You want to have a gateway program. You want to have multiple opt-in freebies, which is exactly how I built my list from zero to what it is today. You want to have PowerPoints that are edited and beautiful. You want scripts. You want marketing emails, images. You want it all because you deserve it. And that is what it takes to have a profitable business. Consistency, building the trust factor, having programs so that when your clients call you for a health history, you have a system for no matter who that client is. And yes, can these be niche specific? Of course they can. They are copyright free and white label because I want you to brand your business. So that's it. My name is Rachel Feldman. You can find everything you need about these programs at www.healthcoachbiz.rachelswellness.com. If you have a question, fill out the contact form. Just tap your name right into the chat box on the sales page. I am here to help you figure out the next step in your business. So the question is, are you ready? Of course you are. I will see you